Is your PS5 displaying error code CE-108863-6? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. You mostly get the PS5 error code CE-108863-6 when the console cannot connect to the server. So, the first thing you can do is restart it. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power. Choose the Restart PS5 option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check is your internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Method 3. Check PSN server status. The next thing you should check is that the PSN server is active and there are no server-related issues. You can follow this link to check the PlayStation server status. If the server is under maintenance, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 4. Change the NAT type. The next thing you can do is contact your internet service provider and request to change the NAT type from 3 to 2. This has reportedly worked for the users, so you can give it a try. Method 5. Check for software updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 6. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller. Then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 7. Contact PlayStation Support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code CE-108863-6 on PS5. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.